So why should you learn programming? Well, think about everything you use every single day. Apps, websites, games, videos. Somebody had to create them. Those things did not just magically appear. A person had an idea. And then they used programming to bring that idea to life. And that is the first reason to learn programming. It lets you create things, instead of only using what other people build. You can build things too. Now here is the second reason. Computers are really fast. Imagine you have 10,000 photos, and you need to find every single one that contains a cat. Doing that yourself could take hours. A computer? Seconds. Or imagine organizing 10,000 files into folders. Doing that manually? Exhausting. A computer can sort them in under a second. By name, date, size, or even what's inside them. That is what makes programming so powerful. You tell the computer what to do. The computer does the hard work. Together, you can do things that would be impossible alone. So when people ask, why learn programming? The answer is simple. Because it lets you turn ideas into reality. You imagine something. You write the instructions. The computer brings it to life. And honestly, that's how ideas become real. Ready to start? Let's go.